Look at this beautiful view. Tabletop fire pit. This is an indoor fire pit. You can also use it for your patio, for picnics, for parties. It's really nice and it adds a pinch of romance to your gathering. It's really nice. You can use it also for a date night. It comes in hay with this message, and you can write the person's name here. This one's for you. I'm going to open. This is the manual. This is where you put the fire. You need like a long lighter to switch it on. You add the isopropyl 70% or 90%, okay? And then you just lit it with a lighter. You can use this to switch it off. Look at this beautiful view. But if you want to switch it off, you just do that and it's off. I hope you like it and thank you for watching.